like what you would think for New Year's Eve. Come on. It's New Year's Eve.
We were all standing out on the street. We were all at the pub.
We were at the cricket club. We couldn't tell where it was coming from when we came home and saw the whole straw market thing. That was through those. Wow. It was like 20 minutes.
They're getting big stuff. They're going now. They're going.
The Cable Beach is still going.
Yeah, they're going. Yeah, they're going.
Whoa. I was surprised at how fast Atlanta's like shot its bottom in it. There's these other ones that screaming sound.
Look at that.
Cable Beach is like going on. There you go.
There you go, my sound effect for you.
Oh, there's a dud.
Yeah, you see that one,
Did
eh?
you see that dud?
Yeah.
I was waiting for that and the rest of the boat just lights up.
Wow, I'm surprised. The Cable Beach is like.
Yeah, they're going now.
Hey,
They're
maybe,
going.
maybe Bonamar gave him a couple of, give him $1 million. Let's go light out some fireworks. Got a couple of million missing already, so why don't we just light up some fireworks?
Is that a barge or is that
It's a mailboat, eh?
Port Royal?
Yeah. Wow.
At the end of your street.
Oh, yeah, no.
That's some private.
Wow, I love that one. It's like going to town
Yeah,
down
they're
there.
going away now. They keep going now.
Nice, we're gonna have competitions going.